Hi Aquarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for February 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some oracle decks that I have here. Aquarius, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just begin your reading, Aquarius. Towards the final days of January, stepping into February 2022, we have the Magician card. Possibly, in these final days, you were in an investigative mode. You may have felt that something was amiss or fishy. You wanted to get to the bottom of things. Incidentally, Aquarians, I'm also picking up that maybe some of you had found yourself in ugly situations. You were being dragged into it, though you didn't want to be a part of it. Maybe you were also concerned about the limitations imposed upon you by your family members. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that there may have been gains on account of recommendation by others. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that February is going to pose for you is the Ace of Wands. This is an energy which is asking you to be creative. You do desire newness in your life. I think you will get the support of your trusted aides. But you should also read between the lines. Sometimes your client could promise you much, but then there's nothing to show. So be very careful that someone doesn't take you for a ride. Influences for this month, we have the Six of Wands. This definitely means you're going to enjoy your place in the sun. You're going to be the center of attention. You are going to get acclaim for your efforts. Maybe your intelligence is also something which is helping you make gains. Aquarians, you're also going to be quite intuitive this month. So listen and honor your inner spirit or inner voice. Everyone will definitely agree to your foresight. Possibly this energy is also asking you to be up and about. You could be commuting a bit, sometimes back and forth. While working, also paperwork or technical work will keep you busy. Maybe Aquarians, you should also be careful because you may overlook the details. This means that there's extra work. I think payment or dues will also come in, but then you do desire financial clarity. Maybe you feel that someone is not being upfront or honest about your financial situation or your resources. Sometimes, we do have money, but then money could be put to use. The first 10 days of February, we have the Ten of Swords. I think there's going to be excess work which could weigh on your shoulders. Like this lady here, she seems to be focusing on the ground. Before her, she doesn't have a face up. So certainly you are going to be weighed down on account of the responsibilities. Maybe colleagues are absent, that is why the onus is on you. I think some Aquarians, you could also be very hassled because there's always someone who is up to mischief or there's a devious person around you. Maybe financially also you will be feeling the heat at this time. Maybe you should look very closely at your decisions. You should weigh the pros and cons. Even if you're making money, it may seem as if it's inadequate. The best way forward is to take assistance from others. Sometimes, Aquarians, you could be made the scapegoat. You may be held accountable for decisions made by your superior. This could make the work environment very oppressive for you. But then, Aquarians, this is a challenge which is going to strengthen you for your future. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th February, we have the King of Cups here. I think you will find support from outsiders more than your family members. Maybe your family members feel that your decisions aren't going to amount to anything. Maybe they expect you to take a second look at your decisions. Gains are also quite likely at this time. I think you will act slyly and have your way. You're somebody who's coming across as a healer, an advisor, counselor, or maybe Aquarians, you're also going to seek assistance from those who are in the medical profession or those who are in the legal profession. Maybe it's best to find alternatives to the problems that you're encountering. It's no point cursing fate for your situation, but the thing is that you need to put your chin up and you need to face the music. While working also, maybe there is somebody who's trying to manipulate you. Maybe this person wants you to surrender to what he is saying. I think you should put your foot down. Even your opponents will continue to create obstacles in your path, but you have to be ingenious. You have to find a way out. The final days of February, we have the Page of Pentacles. Minor gains is definitely on the cards. Sometimes, you could have been promised much, but you have to settle for less. But then something is better than nothing. Communication is also going to be heightened at this time. I think you will continue to be sought after for your words of wisdom. Maybe you have all the answers. Like I said earlier in this reading, your intuition is going to be spot on, so it could help your loved ones as well. Professionally, you'll continue to be overworked this month. I think you're somebody who wants to make time, so you will get up early or you will sleep late into the night. Maybe you should also give thought to consultancy offers or side offers. Incidentally, Aquarians, on the social media, it would be best to keep a low profile. Your boss is also somebody who wants you to make a presentation at short notice, but you're going to come good. So this means that you will be singled out for praise. Respect your love life, Aquarians. I have this card, Hidden Read Between the Lines. I think you need to delve deeper. Maybe the person you're dealing with isn't explicit, or maybe you are trying to comprehend what he is trying to convey. Non-verbal communication could also be the case here. You need to decode this person's body language to understand. Even if you're wearing glasses, I think you should look closely at things, because some things are concealed from you. Aquarians, there'll definitely be suitors. Maybe you also are not going to commit because you believe that your pockets aren't too deep. Even if you're coming across as someone who is quite good looking, someone who is very adventurous, but then you do believe that you need stability in your life. For many of you, this card could also imply that you could have dreams with respect to your romantic connection. Those of you who are romancing, I think you will excitedly go through messages that come in from your lover. Maybe you will have a frank discussion with this person with respect to work, or you will enumerate the problems that you're encountering at work. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that your lover could be quite insecure. Maybe he thinks that you could return to your ex or a former lover. I think there's also memories which could crop up in your head. It says here that when we pass from this world, then what's left is our memories. Because your soul always remembers everything in each lifetime. For some Aquarians, I'm also picking up that your ex-flame could also reach out to you. Married Aquarians, I think your spouse is someone who's going to help you out. Maybe you will also be concerned about the health of a loved one this month. Incidentally, there are going to be those days when your spouse is going to be quite temperamental. Even your in-laws could rattle you a bit. We also have this card, Pink, which talks about love, caring and compassion. So you need to be compassionate like the King of Cups here. Maybe there are harsh energies around you, so some aura cleansing could benefit you. This pink rose also talks about blossoming of love. So love is definitely on the cards for many Aquarians. It's yours to take, which talks about vision quest. I think we have mirages in the desert, so you could be having those illusions. Like I said, there could be dreams as well. Time alone could also give you that perspective that you desire. Besides, when you're on your own, then you get spiritual guidance as well. I hope Aquarians, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.